Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix GeForce Experience error code 0x0003. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it, expand Display Adapters, find your NVIDIA graphics card, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to ensure the latest version is installed. Next, search for Windows Defender Firewall, then click Allow an app through Firewall. Click Change Settings, scroll down and find NVIDIA files and check both private and public boxes on all files. After that, click OK. Now open Services from the Start menu. Scroll to the NVIDIA services, right-click NVIDIA Display Container LS, and select Restart. Do the same for NVIDIA FrameView SDK service and NVIDIA Local System Container. If all of the methods doesn't work, then uninstall GeForce Experience, then reinstall it from NVIDIA's official site. So that's basically how you can fix GeForce Experience error code 0x0003. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.